Hello and welcome. My name is Alex and I am the Blue Osa General Manager. Our hope is that you feel at home during your stay. As part of our check-in, here are some points to help you be more comfortable. We practice morning silence. During this time, our internet is off until 7:30. We are always here to help you at Blue Osa. We do have office hours available for you, and you can come and see us. We can arrange all those eco-adventure tours for you, and any spa treatment will be organized as well. We also have our chalkboard, and there you can find information for daily activities. That's the way we transfer information to our visitors. So you can come and inform yourself with the diets and all the activities that you're gonna have during the day. You will never need to wear a watch. We have bells to let you know when meals are ready. Through the day, we serve a selection of cold pressed juices and smoothies as well. So here we have a cup with your name waiting for you to enjoy our organic, delicious coffee. And also we have teas prepared for you that we just come to the garden and take the lemongrass and the turmeric and prepare that delicious tea for you. All over Blue Osa, our water is really good. However, this is the filtered water we recommend to you. All of our meals are served buffet style. You can come and serve yourself at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So here we do have a great gift shop for you to come and get some locally made crafts and jewelry. We also have suntan lotion, mosquito repellent, we have surrounds, we have Blue Osa t-shirts, water bottles. So please come and see what we have in here for you to get home. So here, this is the main access to the ocean. Walking here in the morning or even in the afternoon with the sunset, it's so beautiful. So some specific points that we have to mention about the ocean is that you have to be really careful with the tide. We have a board, so you can look at the board and you can get that information in there. We don't have any rip currents, we don't have any sharks. It's really nice to swim back there. The water is really warm. It's a really great experience for you to have. If you would like to take a walk through our gardens, especially at night, please grab your flashlight or headlamp. Anything like that will help you to walk through the gardens. Be really careful where you step on. Remember that we are surrounded by nature and we are visitors in their habitat. This is our meditation temple. It is a great spot for people who are looking for a private and secret place to meditate. This is one of my favorite facilities. You can see our pool is very long. You can relax yourself back here, just chill by the pool. And it's open all day and all night. We always kindly ask you if you can take a shower before you get in the pool. Next to the pool is the spa room. So you can come in office hours and arrange your spa treatments and then come over here for you to enjoy them. So here, this is our beautiful Jogger Studio. We kindly ask if you can respect the space, taking off your shoes and not bringing any open cup to the yoga studio. Finally, the most important rule at Blue Osa is do not flush your toilet paper. It can create problems during your stay and other people's stay. Please give our animals lots of affection, but do not feed our animals or any animals that are part of the wildlife. Thank you so much for watching this video. Travel safely to us. We are here waiting for you with open arms.